Hey everyone, Hunter with Injected Motorsports. We are doing a 2017 Ford F-150 3.5 Ecoboost. Had a misfire on a couple cylinders after like scanning it. Pretty simple fix on these most of the time. Changed out plugs and the coil plugs as well. Just did that real quick and take that cover off there, two 10mm bolts or nuts, sorry. And pop it off and start. Let me take you on each side. We started here on the passenger side. Cylinder one right here in the front. Just like I said, this was one of the first that has a misfire. So we're gonna put the new plugs in, Motorcraft plugs. I think they're like 0.031. They're pre-gap, so remember you don't need to gap them. Actually ruin it. We'll blow out the holes, blow out everything around it. You got that one there, same thing. Actually those are 8mm nuts. Take them apart, take the little wire connectors off right there. Pull it out of the hole. Take apart the coil boot, as they call it. These are the long style. I'll show you here. So these are the long style here. I recommend replacing them, especially if it's over 100,000. This truck has factory plugs in it, factory boots. They've been in here, I think it's 140, 150,000 miles, and they started just now having problems, so not bad. Yeah, I'll keep going. All right, here's side by side. There's the new one. I can zoom in on it. Nice and clean, of course. There's your misfire, burned up, which is expected with that many miles. And then, of course, the part number. And the boots are, I think, W6141, I believe. Let's see. Sorry, 6151. So 6151. All right, guys, here on the driver's side here, we got the 3 cylinders. They're all easy to get to on this side. This front one can be kind of a pain, but you can sneak plug here, come back, and to sneak the plug in, you can come on this bottom side. It'll kind of fold right in there without getting anything on it, and then tighten your 8mm bolts up. Ready your wires, make sure they're still in the same slot, and that should be it.